Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Renewable Energy Conservation, where we deep dive into the world of sustainable energy. I am your host Sanket Menjoge, and today we have an exciting topic to explore, that is floating solar. As solar energy continues to gain popularity, this is innovative approach making waves in the renewables space. So let us discuss what exactly the floating solar is. The floating solar is also known as floating photovoltaic. It involves installation of solar panels on water bodies such as lake, reservoirs, or even sometimes in sea. These panels are mounted on floating platforms, often made up of high density polyethylene, HDPE, or other buoyant materials. Uh, the major difference from traditional solar installation is that these panels are deployed on water instead of land. The floating solar offers several advantages. Firstly, it maximizes the use of available space, especially in densely populated areas where land is limited. By utilizing water bodies, floating solar opens up new opportunity for solar power generation. Additionally, floating solar can be more efficient due to cooling effect of water, which helps to mitigate decrease in panel efficiency caused by heat. Then water also reduces dust accumulation, improve the performance of panel. Furthermore, floating solar installation can potentially reduce the water evaporation. Make there there are several challenges to overcome. One of the significant consideration is the structural integrity of floating platforms. They must withstand the various weather conditions, waves, potential impact. Another important aspect is environmental environmental impact. The careful planning and design required to minimize the potential disruption of aquatic ecosystem and wildlife habitat. Additionally, the cost of floating solar is higher than that of traditional solar due to additional engineering and material needed. However, with the advancement in technology and economic scales, we can expect the cost become more competitive in future. Certainly, there are several impressive stories of floating solar around the world and in India. In India, there are few floating solars are under planning and execution stage. Number one, 600 megawatt floating solar plant at Omkareshwar Dam in MP. Number two, 100 megawatt floating solar plant in Ramagundam, Telangana. Number three, 92 megawatt floating solar in Kerala, 100 megawatt floating solar in Jharkhand, and 25 megawatt floating solar in Simadri Dam, 50 megawatt solar plant floating solar plant in Uttar Pradesh, that is Rainan Dam, Rihan Dam. So certainly renewable energy continues to play a vital role in the transition towards sustainable future. Floating solars presents a promising solution with ongoing technological advancement and increasing cost effectiveness. I believe I see the significant expansion of floating solar installation worldwide. Its ability to optimize the land use and conserve water, harness the power of sunlight, making attractive options for the countries where facing land scarcity and seeking meet their renewable energy targets. That's it for today's episode. Hope you like this information. For much more such kind of videos, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.